Welcome back. So I showed you the Hercules 20 volt drill and impact driver. Yesterday I went to Lowe's and saw the DeWalt stuff was on sale cheaper than those. Then this morning, get an email from Harbor Freight. The plot thickens. They just came out with these, the Bauer 20 volt Lithium drill and impact driver. Now the drill is on sale with the coupon today. Let me see, it was 59 bucks. Impact driver $79.99. So let's open them up and see what we got. Start with the drill. Alright, so we got charger, we have has that Chinesium smell. Then we got battery, so it's a 1.5 amp hour 20 volt battery, couple driver bits. Belt clip, and there it is. Okay, I'm a little confused why Harbor Freight is selling two drills that are almost identical, both 20 volt. This one has the battery charge indicator. DeWalt's, again, the 1.5 amp hour comparable doesn't. This was 60 bucks. 60 bucks. So even my review, I said don't buy these because you could buy those cheaper, and if these were cheaper then they'd probably be worth it. But here you go, 60 bucks. It's got a non-branded metal chuck. It's got a light down here pointing up. That's interesting, never seen that. 2-speed clutch. I mean, 60 bucks. So this one right here is the impact driver. They call them rapid chargers. I don't know how long it takes charge, but there you go, rapid charger. Got the drill, the battery. You do have the belt clip in the bag. Oh yeah, there's a couple driver bits in there too. Here we go. So this is the $80 1/4-inch impact driver, 20 volt. This one does have the 3 lights like the more expensive DeWalt's. Forward, reverse, single speed, 20 volt. Feels a little bit, no, about the same. Same weight-wise as all of them. Again, I swear these are probably all made in the same factory. They just change a little bit of the tooling, but we'll wait for that Canadian guy to take them apart and look on the inside and see if they're made the same. But there you go, 20 volt lithium, $80. Don't buy the blue ones. Why in the world would you buy the blue ones when you buy these ones? Now this is where it gets interesting. On the box, they've got drill driver, a hammer drill, which they didn't have at the store yet, the impact driver, and an impact wrench, a cordless angle grinder, a light jigsaw, reciprocating saw, circular saw, and different size batteries. Now they did have the batteries for sale. They didn't have the 3 amp hour ones yet, but they had the 1.5 amp hours, you can see here. But so this leads me to think that maybe they're gonna come out with a full line of tools. Maybe this is just the start. They'll come out with those and maybe they'll add to it over the years. So maybe this is the way to go if you're looking for a budget system. But, well, definitely brushed. You can see the brushes arcing, but yeah, Harbor Freight prices for basically a DeWalt clone tool. Okay, question here. The Bauer 20 volt battery. The Hercules 20 volt battery. No go. No go. DeWalt on the Bauer. No go. Doesn't work. And these are just so similar, but right up in the corners there. I'm still working on the next video. Hopefully I'll have it up later tonight or tomorrow on seeing if I can get these batteries to cross-pollinate. So there you go. You got $159 for the DeWalt, $210 for the Hercules, $140 for the Bauer, 20 bucks cheaper than the DeWalt. And honestly, if you have a DeWalt system already, of course you're staying with DeWalt, but if you're looking to pick up a new system or don't have any already, shoot, I'd go with these ones.